Hi guys, today I will be giving you some secrets around here. No, these trash cans, they actually take you to a secret place, as you can see. But I can't go back. And then here's another place, another secret. Let me try going back. Let me go. Okay. So these trash cans take you to some secret place. One just takes you around. But this one, it takes you somewhere I know. It teleports you anywhere. Okay, which one is the right trash can that will take me to the secret place? Is this the right one? Whoa! It actually teleport now. Oh my god. If you guys don't notice, oh my god, I'm at the secret place. See this one? This room over here? This is one of the empty rooms. But it just won't let us, But what is this place? See? It's right here, near the library, in front of the library. Okay, so where's that trash can I just teleported to? Oh, there we go, I'm back. So, those are the secrets.